Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I am going to show you how to download resume from your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a big professional social media in the world. Here you find suitable jobs for you with your qualification. Here you found many professional bodies to share your thought. A complete LinkedIn profile can help you connect with opportunities by showcasing your unique professional story through experience, skills, and education. A complete LinkedIn profile is a comprehensive resume. LinkedIn profile set as a resume, and you can also download resume from your LinkedIn profile. So let's start this work. So first of all, you just need to click on me section, and after this you just need to click on view profile, and after this you just need to click on more, and after this you just need to click on save to PDF. It will take normally 1 or 2 minutes, and after this if and now you can see that it's ready. Now you just need to click on this file, and now you can see that your resume is downloaded. Now you can see that it include all the summary of your LinkedIn profile, and now you can see that, and it include the experience section, it include, and now you can education section, and now your left hand side contact info, top skills, certification. So different things are available. Now you can see that, and if you want to download this resume, you just need to click on download, and after this you can download this resume. So hope you understand how you can download resume from your LinkedIn profile, and if you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.